Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to look at relative clauses. Now this is something which the children will be introduced to around year 4, and it is something that is tested in the end of Key Stage 2 grammar assessment. So when we're thinking about a relative clause, we need to think about relative pronouns. Now what a relative pronoun does is it helps us to describe a noun. So some examples of relative pronouns that we have are who, which, whom, that, just to name a few. Now, when we have a relative clause, they can come in the middle or they can come at the end of a sentence. So I could say, for example, the boy who is in my class came to the park. Now in this sentence, my relative pronoun would be who, and my relative clause is what's been added to the sentence. So my relative clause is who is in my class. Now with a relative clause, if I take it away from my sentence should still make sense. So without that relative clause, the boy came to the park, that still makes sense. Okay, so I could so that was who, so that was used to describe a person. Now I can use that or which to describe an object. So I could possibly say the Eiffel Tower which is located in Paris, lights up at night. So again, in this sentence, I have my relative pronoun, which is which, and I have my clause, which is located in Paris. And then if I take my relative clause away, my sentence should still make sense. So the Eiffel Tower lights up at night. So that can be about an object. So I'll just do a little tower because that describes an object. We could also write a sentence which has a relative clause using that. So this is the wreath that I made last year. So in this sentence, that is my relative pronoun, and then my relative clause is that I made last year. And again, if I take that away, my sentence will still make sense. This is the wreath.